what's going on? Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. Hey, welcome to downtown Galax, Virginia. Meet me on Main Street. You know, a lot of you ask, where's your retail shop? Well, it's inside the Briar Patch Marketplace, 119 South Main Street. It's the Marketplace and Cafe. It's on the corner of Old Town and Main Street. So let's check it out. When you're coming down Main Street, Galax, there's a lot of cool shops, so join us on Main Street. One of my favorite places is the Mule Hell Trading Company. Douglas makes awesome handmade products, soaps, all kind of cool stuff. I highly recommend the Dirty Hippie soap and the Birch Wood soap. And also I use the menthol shaving cream. Hey, a Sawdust Dude's got to look good and smell good too. Hey, when you see the mule, we're right across the street, Briar Patch Marketplace. Hey, so join us downtown Main Street, 119 South Main Street, Galax, Virginia. And when you see 119, come on inside and I'll show you the retail spot for the Sawdust Dude. Hey, so come on inside the Briar Patch Marketplace, the retail shop for the Sawdust Dude. Come on down this way. Go all the way through the store, check it out. Always cool stuff in here, new items coming in all the time. This place is changing so much. Cool place to be, Briar Patch Marketplace and Cafe. And bada bing, bada boom, here it is, the Sawdust Dude. So come on down 119 South Main Street. See you on Main Street, Galax, Virginia.